Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is extremely important, especially in today's fast-paced and stressful world. The topic is why self-care matters more than ever. This is not just a popular phrase you see on social media. It is a life-changing habit, a form of responsibility, and a foundation for a healthy mind and body. In this video, we will explore what self-care really means, why it is more important now than ever before, and how we can apply it in practical, realistic ways. Let's begin by understanding what self-care actually is. Self-care is not about being selfish or ignoring others. It is about taking care of your own physical, emotional, and mental health so that you can live a better, more balanced life. When you are healthy and stable, you are in a better position to help others, to perform well at work, and to enjoy your relationships. Self-care is not a luxury. It is a necessity. In the past, people believed that taking time for yourself was a waste. Some still believe that being busy all the time is a sign of success. But more and more people are realizing that constantly working, worrying, or doing things for others without rest leads to burnout. Burnout is a state of physical and emotional exhaustion. It can make you feel empty, helpless, and disconnected from the things you once enjoyed. Why is self-care more important than ever? In today's world, we face many pressures. Work demands, personal goals, financial stress, and global problems like climate change and economic uncertainty all affect our mental health. On top of that, social media can make us feel like we are not doing enough or not good enough. It's easy to compare yourself with others and feel unhappy. That's why we need self-care now more than ever. It helps us slow down, reflect, and recharge. It gives us the strength to face life's challenges without breaking down. It helps us stay emotionally balanced, physically healthy, and mentally strong. Self-care helps build resilience, which is the ability to bounce back from stress, trauma, or adversity. When we develop resilience through consistent self-care, we are less likely to be overwhelmed when things go wrong. Instead, we are better prepared to handle problems with clarity and calmness. Let's dive deeper into the core dimensions of self-care. 1. Physical self-care. Taking care of your body is essential. It includes sleep, nutrition, exercise, hydration, hygiene, and physical relaxation. Sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A good sleep routine improves memory, focus, and emotional balance. Nutrition. Opt for a balanced diet with whole foods. Eat mindfully and avoid excessive sugar, caffeine, and processed foods. Exercise. Move your body regularly. Whether it's yoga, walking, running, or dancing, physical activity releases endorphins that enhance mood and reduce anxiety. Hydration. Drink enough water throughout the day. Even mild dehydration can affect concentration and energy. Routine checkups. Regular medical, dental, and vision checkups help catch problems early and maintain overall health. 2. Emotional self-care. This aspect focuses on processing and managing emotions in a constructive way. Journaling. Write down your feelings to gain clarity and release emotional tension. Therapy or counseling. Speaking to a mental health professional offers support and guidance. Boundaries. Learn to say no without guilt. Protect your emotional energy. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with encouraging, realistic affirmations. Creative expression. Painting, music, or writing can be a powerful outlet for emotions. 3. Mental and intellectual self-care. Engaging your mind is just as vital as resting it. Reading, Choose material that educates, inspires, or entertains. Puzzles and games. Stimulate your mind with activities that require problem solving. Continuous learning. Enroll in courses, attend workshops, or pick up new skills. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice being present to reduce stress and enhance cognitive clarity. 4. Social self-care. Nurture your connections with others. Quality time. Spend time with people who respect and energize you. Community engagement. Volunteer or join groups that align with your interests. Communication. Express your needs clearly and listen actively to others. Digital detox. Take breaks from social media to focus on real-life relationships. 5. Spiritual self-care. This involves connecting to your core values and purpose. Meditation or prayer. Find stillness and deepen your inner peace. Gratitude practice. Reflect daily on what you appreciate. Nature connection. Spend time outdoors to feel grounded. Purposeful living. Identify what gives your life meaning and prioritize those activities. 6. Practical self-care. This includes managing everyday responsibilities and building life skills. Time management. Use planners or apps to organize your day and reduce overwhelm. Financial care. Create a budget, save money, and seek advice when needed. Home environment. Keep your living space clean and comforting. Personal growth. Set short and long-term goals and track your progress. 7. How to create a sustainable self-care plan. Assess your needs. Reflect on which areas of your life need more attention. Set intentions. Define what self-care looks like for you. Start small. Introduce one habit at a time. Be consistent. Practice regularly, even when you don't feel like it. Review and adjust. Your needs may change over time. Update your plan as needed. Remember, you cannot serve others well if you are running on empty. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Small acts add up. Self-care doesn't have to be perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. When individuals take care of themselves, the benefits ripple outward. Healthy, balanced people contribute to healthier families, workplaces, and communities. Self-care enhances empathy, reduces conflict, and fosters a more compassionate society. Self-care is not a one-time act. It is a lifelong practice of valuing yourself, maintaining balance, and building inner strength. In a world full of distractions, responsibilities, and pressures, self-care is not a luxury. It is essential. You owe it to yourself and to those around you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye for now.